In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set your global footer. So the footer that's going to appear on every page of your website. So here I am on the template preview page. If I scroll down, I'm going to go to the menu and choose footer. So here are the different footers I can choose from. I'm going to choose this one right here, footer 19. I don't need to copy the name. I'm just going to remember 19. And then I'm going to go into my WordPress admin. In the sidebar, I'm going to go to Elementor, click on My Templates. At the top, I want to go to Footer. And then I want to sort this in alphabetical order. And I'm going to choose number 19 down here. So here I have a dark background. And then I have a dark background version 2. This is an extra dark version. So for the footers, this V2 will probably look pretty nice for your footer. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to click Edit with Elementor. All right, so at the bottom here, I have my footer. I can customize all the options here, drag in some extra elements if I want. I'm going to adjust this text, 2018, like so. I can add links right here. If I click on this widget, you'll see it's an icon list. So I can type in a link name here, like contact. And in the link, I just put /contact, like so. And you can do that down the list. I can adjust the heading, like that. Maybe I want to make that bold. I can go into style, go to weight, make it bold, like so. So a lot of stuff you can do here to customize. I'm just going to leave this how it is for now. And at the bottom left, next to update, I want to click on this up arrow and click on display conditions. So just like we did for the headers, I want to click add condition, and I want to include this footer on the entire website. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish. Now I'm going to go to my live website and refresh the page. And now you'll see at the bottom, I have my footer. Now a lot of times with footers, you might want to add an extra block here. So maybe we want to have an opt-in form or some sort of call to action. So if I go to my template preview page, I'm going to choose from the menu CTA button or CTA MailChimp. For now, I'm going to go with button. And I just want to choose one of these here. I'm going to click to copy, button 13. I'm going to go back into Elementor. And you'll notice here that there is a little plus sign in this section editor. So if I click this plus sign, it's going to add a section. I can click Add Template. Then I want to go to My Templates at the top. And I'm going to click Paste. And I'm going to add the one with the dark background. So I'll click Insert. And there we have that. I'm actually going to use a background image here. So I'm going to click Edit Section. I'm going to go into Style in the sidebar. For background type, I'm going to go Classic. And I'm going to choose my image right here. Just going to select one of these. How about this one? Click Insert Media. I want to change some of the settings here. For size, I want to do cover so that it fits. Position, usually I do center. Maybe in this case, I'll do center top, like so. Now I want to add a background overlay so that it's a little bit easier to read. I can do a single color or a gradient. I'm going to try a gradient, and we'll just do something here like so. Change the opacity. Looks pretty good. Maybe I'll add a shape divider here as well. Click Edit Section. And I'm already in the Style tab, I guess. So I'm going to go to Shape Divider. I'm going to go to Top. And maybe I'll add some waves. Looks interesting. Do that. I'm going to change the height. Maybe I'll change this width as well. Something like that. As always, I want to look at this on tablet and mobile. Do 30 for that. Maybe 20 on mobile. And we are good to go. Obviously, you want to adjust this text, make this button a link, etc. I think that's pretty good for now. I'm going to click Update. And now when I go back to my site and I click Refresh, you'll see that this footer is now added to the page. So now we have kind of a two-section footer that's going to be added to every page on my website. As always, like in the previous video, you can use those display conditions to create multiple footers if you want different footers on different pages. But this should hopefully get you started with your basic headers and footers. So that's all for this video. As always, be sure to rate this step and leave your feedback.